Leg spin is a type of spin bowling in cricket. A leg spinner bowls right arm with a wrist spin action. The leg spinner's normal delivery causes the ball to spin from right to left when the ball bounces on the pitch. For a right-handed batsman, that is away from the leg side, and this is where it gets the name leg break. Leg spinners bowl mostly leg breaks, varying them by adjusting the line and length and amount of side spin versus top spin of the deliveries. Leg spinners also typically use variations of flight by sometimes looping the ball in the air, allowing any cross breeze and the aerodynamic effects of the spinning ball to cause the ball to dip and drift before bouncing and spinning or turning sharply. Leg spinners also bowl other types of delivery, which spin differently, such as the googly. The terms leg spin, leg spinner, leg break and leggy are used in slightly different ways by different sources. The bowlers with the second and fourth highest number of wickets in the history of Test cricket, Shane Warne and Anil Kumble, were leg spinners. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.